Hello.
Big announcement video.
Yes.
Downstairs.
We are going.
In the snows.
Yes. It's cold here in Femandakmak.
Yes. I
So,
agree.
You take it now.
We have a big announcement because our good friend Justin Bieber, you know, the guy with the baby and the I'll show you stuff, it's actually quite good. No, we can
He's
have
coming.
the view of the sun. Sick.
Fuck man, der er børn i salen.
But what about Justin Bieber? You
He's-
may ask yourself. Hey, I'll tell you.
What do
tell
you
them.
mean?
You tell them. The sun.
Hvad sker der?
Hello, kids. What's up? Justin Bieber is coming
To Denmark.
Yeah,
To visit us, Smoka TV.
us too, with our 16 subs.
Yes.
So you
It's gonna be great.
Better be prepared.
Get up, yeah. It's only.
Get up, be prepared.
It's in 6 years. So
Yes. That's
see
all.
you then.
Sign out.
See you then.